Hello kids, good morning to all. Welcome to the English class. Today I am going to teach you a poem Gorilla from your Forward English book. This is a very nice poem penned down by a famous poet Martin Honeysett. First of all, I will give you a brief introduction of the poem. The poet brings home the message that some people cannot resist themselves to have their favorite dish. In the same way, Gorilla could not hold himself back from enjoying the tea party. He enjoyed it to the full and ate almost everything in the party. Before reciting the poem, I will introduce some new words with correct pronunciation. First word is giant, G-I-A-N-T. Giant means very big. Next word is poked, P-O-K-E-D. Poked means touched suddenly. Next word is wobble, W-O-B-B-L-E. Wobble means move very quickly. Next word is gobble, G-O-B-B-L-E. Gobble means gulp down hurriedly. Next word is knocker, K-N-O-C-K-E-R. Knocker means the brass handle on the door. Kids, let's recite the poem. A giant gorilla came to tea. Whoever asked him, it wasn't me. Kids, write down the meaning of giant. Giant means very big. Again I will repeat. Giant means very big. He came in through the kitchen wall. It took 6 chairs to seat him all. He drank his tea straight from the pot. Kids, write down the meaning of pot. Container, C-O-N-T-A-I-N-E-R. Pot means container. And sandwiches, he ate the lot. Kids, I will explain you the following lines. Once a very big gorilla came to a tea party arranged by a girl named Dolly. She didn't know who had invited him for the party. He came in through the kitchen wall and enjoyed tea and sandwiches in the party. Now kids, let's recite the next lines. He poked the jellies to make them wobble, then swallowed them with just one gobble. Kids, write down the meaning of poked. Touched suddenly, T-O-U-C-H-E-D. Suddenly, S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y. Write down the meaning of wobble. To move quickly. Wobble means to move quickly. Swallowed, S-W-A-L-L-O-W-E-D. Write down the meaning of swallowed. Gulped, G-U-L-P-E-D. G-U-L-P-E-D. Kids, write down the meaning of gobble. G-O-B-B-L-E. Gobble means to gulp down quickly. Gobble means to gulp down quickly. All that remained on the plate was a cake. There was nothing else for him to take. Kids, write down the meaning of remained. R-E-M-A-I-N-E-D. Remained means left. L-E-F-T. When he had eaten, then I showed him the door. Now kids, I will explain you the following lines. He touched the jellies and gulped them very quickly. Only cake was left on the plate. Nothing was left for him to take. The girl had shown him the way when he had eaten almost everything in the party. Now kids, let's recite the next paragraph. And hoped he would go now. There was no more. Instead, he ate the door as well, except for the knocker and the bell. Kids, write down the meaning of knocker. K-N-O-C-K-E-R. Knocker means the brass handle. Knocker means the brass handle. After that, he at last decided to go. Who invited him? I would like to know. Now kids, in these lines, the girl thought that he had gone, as there was nothing left to eat for him. But before leaving, he ate the door also. The girl was curious to know that who had invited him for the tea party. Now kids, recite this poem again and do exercise A and B on book. Thank you.